What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. It's me Josh, this is Harville Makes. Today we're making a light box in honor of 100 subscribers. Woo! We're kicking the channel up to the next level, getting in some more lighting. So let's go. First step, clean up our work area. Done. So this particular softbox I'm making about the same size as of a piece of paper. So we've got the dimensions of it, 11.5 by 8. We're gonna make them 8 inches tall. I got that backwards. 11 by 8.5 with 8 inches tall. Now that we got them all cut out, we're going to do some more stuff with it. So, we're going to lay these out and get them ready to put foil on. So, I'm trying to think. I'm thinking, people. I've got an idea. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good at all. Come on, Josh, math. Think. And those are 3 inches. I got an idea. So we're gonna have to shorten it and make it a little thinner. So I don't know how it's gonna affect the final product, but it should be alright. So, yeah, we're gonna have to math. We're gonna do that. Some of that. That is a 1/4 inch. So we'll have to go 1/4 inch in. Right there. Perfect. Okay, so now for the length. So how we're going to overcome that is take two small ones and then go doop, doop, doop. Okay, cool. I think it's going to work. Some of this. Some of this. Alright. Oops, sorry. So while she's doing that, we'll have a little chat. I don't know how close I am. Channel recently got 100 subscribers. Really excited about it. Thank you guys. Y'all are awesome. Family's awesome. Friends awesome. Everyone's awesome. It's time to take the channel to the next level. And with that, we need to invest in some lighting. And so what better way to do that than make it ourselves? So yeah, I hope this video helps you guys if y'all have similar aspirations. But y'all know that it's easy. If we can do it, you can do it. And I think this whole project costs like 15 bucks. So, yep, there's that. It didn't work how I wanted it to. Okay, new plan. New plan. Okay. Alright, now we're going to flip them all over. Oops. poop, 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 and then get them all taped together. Alright, next step is whatever this stuff's called. Tissue paper. Yes. Alright everybody, so now, next step is installing the light. So we've got a couple options. Either one of these, right? Makes it look like this. Really good, very functional and useful. Or we've got these on an external battery pack that make it look like this. Right? And you can make them do all crazy colors. So, functional, and you can actually swap it out. But for this one, since we want it super functional for videoing, I've got a couple pieces of Velcro, some more of the black tape, and this bad boy. So we're gonna set that on there, and then we're gonna take some tape. All the way across. So there. And on this side, we're going to get a little weird. And we're going to do that. And then, oh, get off my fingers. So now we can there we go. So one of the most important things is how is this thing going to mount to a tripod? Alright, so we got it figured out. So this thing sits on top of one of these things that mounts to the tripod. Oh, this is so good. I'm so excited about this. Alright, check this out. This stretches perfectly enough to fit over that light. That thing's designed to hold a phone and a tripod. Alrighty, so here's the tripod. And then we can slap this bad boy in there. Move it up and down. And then to turn it on, wham, bam. That's right, that's right. Hey, let's get this thing on. Yeah. How's the lighting? Does it look good? Does it look good, YouTube? Awesome. Well, we made that for like 15 bucks. I don't know if you've seen them online, but I'll put some links down below where you can buy some. But if you want to make them, that's how you do it. Guys, thanks for stopping by. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, all that fun YouTube stuff. If you really like it, share it. Join the community. We love you guys. I don't know what she's doing with the camera right now, but I'm down with it. You guys be good people, and peace out.